What if I tell you you can do this style yourself in less than 10 minutes? Join me, let us start. So to start with, you're going to be holding your material down like this, straight up like this, fold a bit in like this. What you just need to do here is focus your eyes and see what we are doing. After I folded it, I dip it in, then place it on my head like this. I try to adjust all adjustable places so that it will be well aligned, and I'm going to direct all excess to the front. So look at the shape of the back. Back to the front, you grab all excess with elastic band. So for this head wrap, you need elastic band, and you also need office pin. So get them available while trying this out. So I'm going to grab all the excess using elastic band. Once I'm done, I'll come back to the front because I still have my excess there. Now I'm going to pick them like this, like rough pleats, pleat everything down like this. You can see. So when you pleat to that place, take it like you are taking these pleats you are making, you are taking them round. So you pleat, you drop on your head, you continue pleating till it comes back to the front. So this is just a simple step to tie this head wrap, and it came out amazingly beautiful, trust me. So you continue to pleat and place it round your head. So on getting to the front back, we are not going to continue like that. You continue to pleat anyways, but you are not taking it round again. You're going to fold part up like this that I'll be showing you now. Pleat everything down like this, then you fold some part up. Let's wait for that. Now I'm folding it up and I'm dipping it into this band here at the front that remain. So dip it there. You're still gonna have some excess left, if you can see that. For this tutorial, I used 3 layers material, and it is a bit long, not too long, but at least to some extent it is long. So the excess I have, I try to fold it up at the front like this, then go secure at the back with office pin. That is where your office pin work begins. Now for the pleated part, come to it and stretch it out. We're going to stretch everything in there. We're going to stretch it out. So I'm going to dip my hand into the hole and start stretching out. Once I stretch out, I need another 2 sets of office pin, or 2 pieces of office pin, to grab the edges I have. So I'm using office pin to secure here, and I'll repeat the same process to the other part. So guys, if you have watched to this length, I think you have gained 1 or 2 steps in tying head wrap. If not for this particular one, probably another one using some steps I took in tying this head wrap. If you have, kindly share and let other people enjoy. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. I will appreciate it. So finally, I had my burn to heat to beautify and secure the band. Bye.